too early for this. The sacrifices we do for deals on car parts. I'm on my way to meet up the guy that gave me a killer deal on a hood, fenders, and headlights for this thing, so I'm excited. This is what makes getting up this early with no sleep worth it. We're about to swap over the parts. I'm excited. 7 years with this thing and it's finally coming together. Damn. Oh, that shit looks, ooh, that looks nice. That looks nice. Damn.
The next Gapitan.
The next Gapitan. Check it out, guys. This thing is sick, man. Watch, watch, watch. Kinda sick? Nah, not even. Look. I don't know if you guys can see the little turbo. It's a 67, what? 7?
67, 67, yeah.
Damn. That thing is sick.
Who wants to get?
Hit him up.
Who wants to get? Let me know.
Damn. Ah, shit. Thanks again, Pa. Appreciate it.
Man. Like I said, I want to see this car. Finish it up.
Thanks, man.
Finish it up.
That's gonna be the dream.
Finish it up.
Got it.
It's gonna be the next Gapitan.
Hopefully. We got the fenders. Got the other one back there. Goddamn, I need something bigger. Oh, so nice. Sheesh. Instead of doing the fenders at home, got the club leader here about to help me out. El presidente. Hi. Hola, ma. Hola, pa. ¿Qué rollo? ¿Cómo están? Aquí me tienen, mira. Chinga. We're trying to take off the fender because we need a. Well, first of all, go show them the fender. Pa. They got to see that fender. You got to show them that fender. You guys need to see how nice and clean that fender is. It's a nice fender, huh, guys?
What's it called?
I have no idea. But did you guys know that you need a cut, right? You need a cut in order for that fender to fit. For those vents right there on the top to fit, like nice on here, you need a cut part of the freaking chassis off to get it to fit.
Look at that hood though. It's clean. Hey, can you cut it like that or no?
See that?
Alright, let's cut it then.
Want to cut it already? Okay, get out.
Or you want to take the whole fender off?
Well, I mean, we need to take the fender off to put that one on anyway.
Oh, I thought he went on over it.
No, it's not a cover.
Alright,
It's an actual
cool.
fender. Hey man, I don't know how people can get angles for this stuff. What's that?
What?
¿Cómo te vaya, güey? I just came to the realization that I broke that tab for no reason, and I just broke the other one as well.
Which one? The other side?
No, both of these ones.
Oh. Hey, it won't come off loose though. Let's rivet it on.
So we went, got drill bits to drill out the rivets. We were just too lazy to look up on the phone how to remove rivets, right? So we just grabbed the flathead and just pried the side skirt off the rivets, and it just did the trick just fine, if you ask me. Shout out to El Gapitan. Damn, the headlights, that hood, the fender. Ooh, front look is gonna be done. And the chorreando, I can just, ooh. That's the little part that I was telling you guys we need to cut off. There you go, guys. That's what the vents are for, is so that little square right there that leads to absolutely nothing can breathe. Qué loco se pone. Ando tambaleando todo.
Weak, you tired.
Macizo. But worth it. Fucking worth it, man. Damn. Look at that.
Almost.
So close.
Almost clean cut. I don't want to get you a tire, proof. Imagine you're hooked to the tire.
Nah, rather not.
It's possible.
I know. Let's try and mount this fender. Not gonna lie, fitment may not be the best at the moment, but this should get straightened out at the body shop once it's time to paint. It's been like, how many days since I got this? 2 days. And I still haven't made a video of like, hey guys, it's done. Here's what it looks like. So hey guys, it's done. Here's what it looks like. I want to do little shots to like showcase the car. You know what I mean? And they're like this, and it's just like little like. And then like. Damn, this thing will look sick, man. What do you think, Pat? Transformation or? Oh, yeah. Shout out to El Gapitan for hooking it up with all the parts, for trading me, for the hood, for the lights. Man. Let's do it.